Baking soda is used in cooking, in cosmetics, and for the maintenance of the house, but its role does not end there. Baking soda for plants can be the most effective solution for many problems in your garden. Follow the right dosages because the too strong combination can burn the leaves of the plants. 7 ways to use natural baking soda in the garden. Number 1. Rejuvenate your plants. Baking soda can even give your plants a boost, rejuvenating them so that they're lush and green once again. Combine a teaspoon of baking soda with a teaspoon of Epsom salt and a half teaspoon of ammonia in a gallon of water. Be sure to mix it well and then give each of your plants about a quart of the solution. It serves as a fertilizer, perking up plants that are dull or are growing slowly. Number 2. Make your tomatoes sweeter. You can sweeten your tomatoes by lowering the acidity of the soil with baking soda. It also helps to discourage any pests. Simply sprinkle it lightly onto the soil therein and the baking soda will be absorbed into it, lowering the acidity level of the soil and the tomatoes for a sweeter rather than a tart flavor. Number 3. Get more beautiful blooms. Geraniums, begonia, and hydrangea types all like alkaline soil, and baking soda is an alkaline product. Make these plants a special monthly tonic consisting of 1 tablespoonful of baking soda and 2 quarts of water. Number 4. Smelly Compost. To keep the smell from a compost pile under control, use a small amount of baking soda which will eliminate the odor and prevent acidity buildup. Just use it sparingly as too much can slow the composting process. Number 5. Clean plant leaves. Plants need photosynthesis to survive and thrive. To help your houseplants make the most of the sunshine they receive, keep their leaves clean by wiping them gently with a damp sponge or soft cloth dampened with a very dilute solution of baking soda and water. Number 6. Keep cut flowers fresh longer. 2 quarts of water and a tablespoonful of bicarbonate of soda is also an excellent solution for keeping cut flowers fresh. Be sure to change the solution every couple of days for best results. Number 7. Kill cropgrass and discourage weeds. If you have weeds or cropgrass growing in cracks or sidewalks, edges, patios, or garden beds, you can use baking soda to get rid of them. It's able to kill small weeds that have already sprouted as well as to prevent new weeds from coming up. It will burn unwanted foliage and weeds should disappear within just a few days. Just pour a thick layer onto the weeds and crabgrass after moistening it with water. Sweep the baking soda in a thick layer into any concrete cracks. Remember that when you're applying baking soda, avoid getting it onto grass or plants you want. Too much baking soda can burn and even kill it.